Okay.
Okay.
Good
Good afternoon,
afternoon, everyone.
everyone.
Thank you for
Thank you
coming to
for
our
coming to our
demo day.
demo day.
So I'm
So
Andre de
I'm Andre
Souza, the
Souza,
founder
the
and
founder
CEO
and
of the
CEO
Valley
of the Valley
Bootcamp.
Bootcamp.
And today
And
we are
today
gonna
we are
show
going to
you
show you
the work
the
of
work
our
of
last
our last
batch. So
batch.
we have two
So we have two
projects that we're
projects
going to
that
show
we're going to
you.
show you.
But first, I would
But
like
first,
to
I would like to
introduce
introduce
some words.
some words about what is the Valley Bootcamp. So what is that? What is the Valley Bootcamp? The Valley Bootcamp, basically the idea of making your dream startup come true. The, it's okay.
Is it working now? I think it's fine. Non, ça doit être ça. Ouais. Ouais, s'il te plaît, coupe-moi celui-là. Is it fine? Yes. Okay. So starting back, sorry, we had some technical issues with the mics, but now it seems that it's fixed. So as I was telling you, the idea is to basically make your dream startup come true. So helping French students creating their own startup. So this is the main goal. And why are we doing that? And why are we doing it in California, to be honest? So then they will have an international experience, some professional growth, and of course, as it's a bootcamp, a lot of learnings around product, coding, and all around entrepreneurship mindset. So the main goal, as I was telling just before, is it's inspiring French entrepreneurs in the Californian Tech Hub, creating the future of French startups, and enrich the vision of French entrepreneurs with the Silicon Valley mindset. So that's what we are trying to do here. The batches. So our batches are compounded by a 4 weeks bootcamp. It contains between 5 and 15 students, and it's from business and tech schools, plus early stage entrepreneurs. So we have 3 batches per year. This is the second batch of 2025, and yeah, that's basically what we are doing with these batches. It's a 4 weeks program. In this 4 weeks program, we have a Silicon Valley and SDSU fund their MVPs. A lot of things around the mindset, around the office hours for local entrepreneurs, with local entrepreneurs, sorry, and improving English in the mornings and networking by tech and product people. And sometimes we have also investors. So about the Silicon Valley immersion, this is some companies that we visit. Not each company is visited on each batch, of course, but for the actual batch, we went to LinkedIn, we went to Microsoft, which is not there, but this is two of them, Stanford, and yeah, Gorgeous too. And for the others, it really depends on each batch. So just to sum up, the global package is very simple. We have 4 weeks in California to understand the culture and the way we create startups here, the business development. 2, 1 MVP ready at the end for them to use it. All good. You can hear me good? So yeah, let's start. So hi everyone. I'm really happy to see you. Gear Connect, the first and social media about motorsport. So to beginning, I'm gonna present you a little bit of my story. So when I was young, I do some karting in my life, and my parents gave me the opportunity to realize my dream to become Formula One driver. But when it comes to become a professional, the cost was really too expensive to my family, and yeah, so I had to stop my career. You lost your dream and you become sad the rest of your life. So our solution was to be inspired by the GP Explorer in France, where an influencer can race a Formula 4 car, so a big racing car, because they are influenced and they have a lot of community behind them. So we would like to do a bit the same, like to build a network, to have more impact in front of the sponsor, where you can have a for the motorsport, so you can meet people, create a community about that, and easier access to the motorsport, to the sponsor, excuse me. So yeah, driver tracking. So a driver tracking doesn't exist for the moment that you can show easily your performance to a sponsor. So it will be nice to have a place dedicated to that. Also, you have creating events. So another problem in motorsport that you don't know where the events are. So you need to have a place
who have all the events that exist. So we will try to build this place, and the social media part for the fan that can follow their favorite drivers to give them a support in front of the sponsor. So to build this project, we had our first customers that helped us a lot. So first of all, Benjamin Carceri he was a big racer, and now he's an instructor in Italy. So he gave us a lot of tips. He finds the idea really good, and he wants to try it, and it will be in our application. Amaury and Kalyan May are also karting driver, and Amaury stopped his career because he didn't have the money to continue, and Kalyan is about to stop because he doesn't find any sponsor. So yeah, it's really a big difficulties. I will give the hand to my friend Romain.
Hi. I represent the growth, so for the acquisition, activation, and referral. First of all, for the acquisition, we build a landing page with a waitlist. So all the early adopters come to the waitlist. They will can share the application with the referral system for the events where they can have like cons, like discounts on the events, and premium feature on the app. And for the third part, we focus on pilots and not just fan automobile motorsports, because we think the quality is better than the quantity. For the activation, so we personal guides with a didactician on the app for all the features. When you come for the first time in the application, you have the didactician who guide you. And for the parts objectives, I say first win in 20 in one day. That's because when you follow the didactician, you see all the features, and that help you to test the application and discover all the features and wanted to come the next day. For the part of the referral, so there is two models, premium account and free account. With premium account, you have features. You can DM some people who don't follow you or whatever, all features. With the reward system, you can obtain these features. For $47 billion about the people who are fan of motorsports, but we will focus on just one part, where people who want to become pilots. So for the sum, that's 8 to 12 billion. And for the part of sum, there is just a few of people who want to have a network because they don't have the money. So there is just it's a big word, but just $500 million you can obtain with Gear Connect. About the unique insights, so I obtained a conclusion with comparing Gear Connect with concurrents like Racelink or whatever. For the first part, social media, there is a lot of content with other fan, don't motorsport fan, and a motorsport fan. So with to use a Facebook forum or blog or something else. And for the Gear Connect, you can just follow events on the app, join the events, pay what you want on the events, and that's the second part.
To make this amazing project, I'm going to present you the team. So first of all, we have Romain that you met just before. He's creating mostly the front end of the application, so the design and everything, and is doing some community manager. Esteban Dardiac is the main developer on the application and to link the front end to the back end, but it's a bit technical. And for myself, the server part in the application. So yeah, as you can see, it's a dream team. What are we gonna ask you? So first of all, we need to find more drivers because they are not easy to find. Even when their names are public, it's always complicated to talk to them, to let's go for some talks, some meetings and everything. They are really busy. 100K, it's for creating events around the application to bring people to the application, to show them, and to bring a motorsport magazine too. It will be cool. And a partner sponsor because we would like to bring some society and sponsor to our application and to give the driver a better chance to communicate with them and to show their performance directly in the application. So yeah, we're going to show you a little demo of the project. I will let the hand with Esteban.
Hello everyone. So let's start the demo. Don't work. Don't worry. It will be happen soon.
Ah, that's good.
Okay, it's good.
Come here.
Yeah, okay. So this is what we like Gear Connect. We have three parts: the social media part, the tracking for the pilot part, and the event part. For the social media, you can share your posts, your activities, or chat with other people. Chat with other people. You can follow other people. Like that. And you can look the post, react to the post, and share the post and comment the post. Great one.
Just a bug with sharing screen, but that's not the.
Yeah, with the share screen, it's a very little bug. Okay, it's good. So you have post, you can like it, you can save it. For the part of the tracking of the pilot is in the profile. So when you register to our application, we have to take notes if you are a pilot or not. Over is a pilot, so you have a tracking part in this profile. You can see the post we post. So for the tracking part, you have some race who the pilot did, like Val de Vienne who over made third place, or RKC, we made the first place. So if we have a graph, we will show how victories we have, how podium we have, our win rate, and our podium rate. For the last part is the events part. So we have events. We can create events.
Maybe don't
We
use
can
the-
watch them. We can write a review if we participate to this event. This event is very cool, so I will make a 5-star. Very good. And the review is here. We can also put related products to the event, like shirts, goodies, some stuff. And that's all for the demo.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone.
Okay, all good. Ready? Okay, cool. So, hi everyone, I'm Aya, and I'm not here to present to you another project. I'm here to present to you the future of space exploration, and that future is Stars Factory. So, since I was a child, like many, I dream about becoming an astronaut. I didn't dream about fairy tales or castle. I dream of rockets, galaxy, or floating in zero gravity, something like that. But I grew older and I also realized something else, that space seems distant. Not just because this is far away, this is not a mean of distance. And it shouldn't. It should be for curious, it should be for passionate, it should be for those who dare to dream. And that's where this journey started. Today, space still feels like a dream, but one that's out of reach for most of people. Training programs remain expensive and highly selective. At the same time, accessible and immersive resources are simply missing, makes make it hard to aspiring minds to dive in and grow. And the most important is that space industry continues to overlook too many talents like women, like minorities or people with disabilities. And we know that innovation depends on inclusion. So to solve these barriers, I've built Stars Factory. That's an innovative platform that combines immersive learning, accessibility, and certification. First, we offer interactive 3D spatial mission inspired by real astronaut training to make learning deeply engaging. Second, our content is designed to universal access with affordable pricing, with inclusive design and support for learners. And finally, we provide NFT certification, allow learners to prove their skills anywhere, anytime with trust and transparency. The space and education sector both are booming. So if we match them together, that makes that makes a huge opportunity. So the total global education market is worth over $360 billion. And the immersive learning segment is projected to reach $2 billion. Now, when we focus on our specific audience for learners who are curious about space, we estimate a market of $100 million. This is our first version of the pricing model. As you can see, there is 3 different plans: premium, the standard, and the premium plan. This model allows us to grow sustainably while staying true to our mission of inclusion. When we look at what already exists, we see 3 different types of offers. First, the traditional space training program that are highly prestigious, but also highly selective, and that could be pretty expensive for those who don't live near the NASA Academy or the ESA Academy. Then we have MOOC and online platforms that are pretty theoretical and not about space education. And finally, we have VR simulation like Calvo Space program, but that is designed for fun and not for structured learning. So this is an early project and I'm actually still alone on it, but we have some success on it and we're really proud of it. Like our space network with some ESA astronaut teachers, some astronauts and NASA engineers. We and I already won some prize, like the Young Entrepreneur of the Year on Europe. That's called Margaret, the 25 Max 25 Leaders Tech for the Stars Factory, and also the Women in Tech for the inclusion of Stars Factory. Even if I said that I am alone, I'm not really alone because I work with the Valley and join forces in there that reached me value of 1 million to like as a marketing support. So if I have to sum it all of that, what is Stars Factory on 4 words? This is immersive, accessibility, certification, and community. This is more than just a learning platform. This is an ecosystem built for inclusion, for engagement, and ambitions. Like, as you know, we want to recreate the astronaut job, but online. It's like an astronaut training, but from home, because 99% of the time of astronauts is to get trained. So what if we can recreate it at home? So now, to bring Stars Factory to life, I'm currently raising $250. So I'm a solopreneur in this project now, but to make it into the next stage, I need to build a core team with a technical lead, a VR developer, and a marketing to reach and engage our audience. Then I'm also actively looking for a strategic partnership with educational institutions, space agency, and or tech platform. Then finally, we need early users and role models to shape, test, and inspire the community. Thanks for your attention.
Okay, I think we just finished. We have only 2 projects to show you today. So thank you so much for watching. So sorry for the problems we had with the stream. I hope it will be not so bad for you to watch. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. And if you have some questions about Stars Factory, about Gear Connect, just feel free to reach us. And yeah, I'll give you the contacts if you want to partner, a team with them, and yeah,